ICT Killzones. Remember what ICT said about the relationships of these three kill zones, especially with London and New York session? Our trade yesterday is a good example of what can happen between the London and New York kill zones. First, we will note all our possible key levels in the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have tried to illustrate that all key levels, such as swing highs and swing lows, are likely to have buy stops and sell stops. And here at the 1-hour time frame, an order block is lying together with our first target sell stops. Since our daily bias is uptrending, we will wait for the market to grab liquidity on our nearest swing low and monitor for any rejections. We will use our lower time frame, the 15-minute, for our monitoring our zone and possible entries. We will take note of the highs and lows inside the Asian kill zone. This will be our ranging zone. At the London kill zone, try to observe the momentum on where market wants to go. Even though it breaks our ranging zone and can be opportunity to go long, it shows that there's high probability to take the sell stops of the old swing low. Before the end of the London kill zone, the market is approaching our key level swing low. As ICT mentioned during his mentorship, the New York kill zone can be a reversal of the London kill zone when it reaches a key level. We must be more cautious if we want to enter at this key level. It may be a continuation of the downward movement. Don't rush into orders. You need a lot of patience. Our bias to go long must coincide with the other confirmations that the market wants to reverse before we place orders. The downward movement created a lot of FVGs. But when the market taken the possible buy stops on the key level, it showed a big bullish candle and closed beyond our inversion fair value gap. We can put an order on the next candle, or you can try to wait for a retracement. And now our IFVG lied together with the bullish fair value gap. It is our go signal for putting orders once it tap our fair value gap. During this trade, I put my orders in the next candle after the strong bullish candle closed beyond the IFVG. Our stop loss was set on the recent swing low. Take profit zone will be the above the Asian kill zone high. You can take partial profit on the swing high that we note and set break even once London kill zone swing high breaks. It's for you to decide if you want to target the old highs of the higher time frame. Just make sure that you will always practice to take partials. There's nothing wrong in taking partial profit. Are you familiar with ICT AMD? Can you try to spot where is the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution phase?